it's
here, pull the
decent.
transducer. Pull the transducer.
Liam's hooked up. First fish of the day. Ooh, she's a good one. I know, I've gotten like 10 messages in the last 15 minutes. Oh god.
Oh god.
That's a huge picky. That's a massive picky.
Let's see. What do we got here?
Huge picky, buddy. Oh, nice.
Oh, baby.
Alright.
Here.
Got some pictures of this one. Can't be keeping these guys.
I'm keeping them. I don't give a shit.
No.
Yep, I am.
No.
Yeah.
It's full of eggs. It's a female.
Okay, well, fine.
We'll catch lots of males.
I can keep whatever the fuck I want. I have a limit.